Ever dreamed of traveling to Italy on a budget? Well, you're not alone. Italy, with its rich history, delectable cuisine, and stunning landscapes, is on many a traveler's bucket list. And who wouldn't want to soak up the sun in the Amalfi Coast or walk the historic streets of Rome without breaking the bank? The good news is, it's more than just a dream. Traveling to Italy on a budget is not only possible, but it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. The key to any successful budget trip is planning and budgeting. Let's dive right in. To start, it's essential to research the best time to visit Italy. Off-peak seasons can offer significant savings and fewer crowds. Now, on to booking flights and accommodations. Be sure to book well in advance to secure the best deals. It's also worth considering alternative accommodations like hostels or vacation rentals, which can be more budget-friendly than traditional hotels. Another key aspect of budgeting is setting a daily spending limit. This includes allocating funds for meals, transportation, attractions, and a little extra for those irresistible gelatos. Utilize budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses and stick to your plan. It's crucial to remember that discipline is your best friend when it comes to traveling on a budget. Remember, a well-planned trip can save you a lot of money, and the savings can start before you even leave home. One of the best ways to save money in Italy is by being smart about where and what you eat. Italy is a food lover's paradise, but it doesn't mean you have to splurge on every meal. Instead of dining at touristy restaurants, make a beeline for the local markets. They're a treasure trove of fresh produce, cheeses, and cured meats at a fraction of the cost. Plus, they offer a true taste of Italy's culinary richness. Street food is another great option. From the crispy, cheesy supply in Rome to the sea-salty fried seafood of Venice, you can savor the local flavors without emptying your wallet. And here's a tip: opt for the Menù del Dia, or menu of the day, at smaller local restaurants. You'll get a full-course meal at a reasonable price. With a little bit of research and a willingness to try new things, you can eat like a king in Italy without breaking the bank. Getting around in Italy can be cheap if you know how to do it. Let's talk about how to navigate this beautiful country without breaking the bank. Public transportation is your best friend when it comes to budget travel. Italian cities are well connected by buses, trams, and metros. A single ticket can take you anywhere within the city limits, and trust me, it's far less than what you'd pay for a taxi ride. If you're exploring small towns or the countryside, consider renting a bike. It's a fun, healthy, and inexpensive way to travel. Plus, you'll get to enjoy the stunning landscapes at your own pace. Walking is another great option, especially in historic centers where distances are short and the views are breathtaking. Just remember to wear comfortable shoes. And finally, don't shy away from regional trains for intercity travel. They might be slower, but they offer scenic routes and are significantly cheaper than high-speed trains. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, and getting around Italy doesn't have to be expensive. So, to recap, traveling to Italy on a budget is all about planning, eating smart, and being savvy with transportation. It's not about missing out on the wonders of this beautiful country, but rather making intelligent decisions that enable you to experience it all without breaking the bank. The key is to plan ahead. Research and budgeting are your best friends. From booking affordable accommodations to mapping out your travel route, preparation is vital. Don't forget to consider the off-peak seasons for better deals and fewer crowds. Next up is food. The culinary delights of Italy don't have to be expensive. Eating like a local, trying out street food, and venturing into less touristy areas can lead you to some of the most authentic, delicious, and affordable meals. And lastly, transportation. Getting around in Italy doesn't have to be costly. The country's public transportation system is efficient and reasonably priced. Walking or renting a bike can also be a great way to explore the city and take in the sights. Remember, budget travel isn't about cutting corners or sacrificing experiences. It's about making the most of what you have. It's about immersing yourself in the culture, the food, the history, and the people of Italy, all while keeping your wallet happy. With these tips in mind, your dream of an affordable Italian vacation can become a reality. So, why not start planning your budget trip to Italy today?